Your heater is like a Ferrari stuck in traffic, insanely powerful, yet barely moving. Once you understand how your heater actually works, this problem suddenly makes sense. Your heating system doesn't create heat. It moves through a four-part cycle. The compressor squeezes refrigerant into a hot, high-pressure gas. The condenser releases that heat into your home. The expansion valve drops the pressure, and the evaporator absorbs new heat to restart the loop. Think of it like blood flow. The heart can be strong, but if the arteries are blocked, the body still struggles. And in cold weather, the condenser becomes that bottleneck. In summer, it dumps heat outside, whereas in winter it must pull heat from the cold air. So if the condenser is dirty, blocked, or overheated, heat gets trapped, collapsing efficiency. If the heat can't move, it's of no use. Try this now. When your heater has been running for 10 minutes, stand over a vent. How's the air? Is it mildly warm instead of hot? If yes, then your system is working, just inefficiently. When the condenser struggles, the compressor is forced to run longer and harder, accelerating wear. As a result, the expansion valve loses pressure balance, and the evaporator can't absorb heat properly. One restricted component drags down the entire loop, like dominoes. One weak link, and the whole HVAC system struggles. We've seen this with a lot of our clients. Heaters don't die suddenly. They slowly suffocate and lose their efficiency as one part struggles. How's your heating system doing this winter? Comment down below.